In this video, we are going to show you a short demonstration of the solution we created and show you how it will help you make decisions based on the performance of stores. To start off, we are logging in as the CFO of Plainwear using unique credentials. The CFO will be redirected to his own homepage. Notice in every homepage, there is a logout button on the top left part of the screen. By clicking on the View Report button, the CFO's dashboard will be opened. On the CFO's dashboard on the top right corner, there are two buttons for the CFO to switch between year-over-year and month-over-month mode. If clicked on the MOM button, the dashboard will automatically change the x-axis of the visual to weekdays. For the YOY button, the x-axis will change to months. On the bottom part of the dashboard, there are two table visuals, showing the top 10 best and worst performing stores based on the active filters. For example, store 71 is the worst performing store. If we click on it, the visuals will change to result of the selected store. When changing the months filter, the visual and numbers displayed above the visual will automatically change to help the CFO investigate the performance of the chosen store in the chosen month. The same goes for the month-over-month mode. However, the CFO has to pick a month for the month-over-month mode to work correctly. The CFO can also select a store and use the weekday filter instead. As you can see, the selected store on Wednesday has not been performing well at all. This might indicate that the store might need a refit, or possible adjustments must be implemented. When the CFO is done with the dashboard, he can close the window and log out of his home screen. Now let's log in as a regional manager. In this case, we log in as the regional manager of Europe. By again clicking on the View Report button, the regional dashboard will be displayed for the regional manager. Although the dashboard's layout is similar as the CFO's dashboard, there is no region filter, since the regional manager only has access to his or her own region. And the top 10 best and worst performing stores are only stores in Europe. On the other hand, it is a bit different for the store managers. Let's log in as a store manager for store number 5. Notice there is an additional button called Add Transaction. We will come back to this later. For now, let's view the store manager's dashboard first. As you can see, the store manager's dashboard is simpler, as the store manager only has to focus on his or her own store. Now let us move on to adding transactions. By clicking on Add Transaction button, a store manager will be able to import monthly sales data to the database. By clicking on the Attach Excel File button, the store manager is able to select an Excel file from the local directory. In this case, we are selecting the sales data of store 5 Feet January 2020. This is mock data that has been prepared for demo purposes. After opening the file, the preview of the selected data is displayed. This allows a store manager to double-check if they have selected the correct file. After clicking on the Add to Database button, the data will be added to the database and the store manager will be redirected to the home screen. This is the end of our demonstration. Thank you for your attention.